Hi, I'm Marissa, your Filipino partner at Rochette Naval Consulting. This is part 2 of the series called Filipino-Canadian PR Pathway from Day 1. Before you forget, subscribe to my channel for more practical information on your international student journey. To move forward with a more meaningful conversation of why you must think of your PR pathway from day 1, let us treat your whole experience of coming to Canada as your very own business. Because let's face it, you spent a lot of your savings, time, and even get the help of your family members to make this dream come true. So, if you are a business owner in Canada and you invested major resources on studying as international student and your spouse or common law partner came here with you for this opportunity, you must set for yourself short-term and long-term objectives properly. My number one advice to you is to consult an immigration and employment specialist with a good business experience in Canada to help you set your short and long-term objectives. I congratulate you if you came here, if you are one of those who came here on a DIY application. So now that you're here in Canada, it is a different ballgame. You might think, why do I need to talk to a specialist when I spent a lot of time researching, and I'm still researching on a daily basis, and following multiple social media about PR pathways in Canada? Well, the simple answer is that you cannot rely on a trial and error basis because you have limited money and time. The study plan must be coherent with your skills and what the Canadian employment market needs. Kung meron tayong mathematical equation for this, it must be study plan plus your skills plus Canadian employment market trends equals your PR pathway. Select a specialist with both immigration and employment experience in Canada. Kasi kung immigration lang ang strength ng consultant mo, how can they help you choose the proper jobs that will line up with your PR pathway? How can they help you in writing a compelling resume na babasahin and papatawag ka ng employer? How will you handle an interview? If you connect with us, we have the top-notch Filipino and Canadian lawyers working on your immigration side. And then, most important, we have almost 2 decades of actual employment experience in businesses here in Canada, primarily as part of a management team of different companies where we hired and fired people in Canada. So, you can trust us. We can help you in the following aspects. Number 1, help you select the Canadian jobs with sure PR pathways that matches your skills. Number 2, help you compose a very good resume that will lead to an interview. Maraming naghahanap ng Canadian format resume online. And ang important po, hindi yung how we type the resume. It's more of yung content. Let us help you make those resumes. I am saying, resumes kasi, hindi lang po isang standard ang papadala natin. We need to make one for each specific job posting na a-applyan natin. So, we can help you with different resumes, maybe 2, 3, or even 4, depende po dun sa jobs na a-applyan natin. Number 3, help you prepare for the interview. Marami pong mga trap questions, marami pong mga pinapatawag pero hindi po nakukuha yung trabaho kasi hindi nila alam how to close the deal. So we will help you do that. We will help you prepare answers so that you can be hired. Okay? And number 4, if you are on a 2-year study program, we will help you analyze and decide whether you should continue with 2 years or break it down to 1 plus 1. Number 5, if you have a 1 plus 1, it gives you an additional 5 points if you have more than 1 Canadian credential. So yan ang basic importance for you to realize whether yung 2-year course mo, is it important to stay in a 2-year program, or once you break it down into a 1 plus 1, maybe that plus 1 course is the one that lines you up for a better job that gives you a PR pathway. So, gusto mo bang makakuha ng job other than a service crew or cashier in a grocery? You should aspire for more than these jobs kasi walang PR pathway ang mga jobs na yan unless nasa supervisor level ka na. Yung 2-year program mo, how do you break it down into 1 plus 1 and use the plus 1 for a better opportunity that will lead you to a PR pathway? Believe me, marami po tayong maa-applyan dito na hindi tayo familiar as Filipinos working in the Philippines. Pagdating natin dito, we will outline to you why you should consider that job, what are the financial gains, and then what is your future and the future of your family as a whole in that particular job, in that particular province, and most importantly, for the future of your children. So, each file is different. Connect with us. Lay down your cards and let us figure this out with you. Join my Facebook page or look for me, Marissa Naval, or send me an email, m.naval@rnconsulting.ca. Subscribe to this channel for future videos. Bye for now.